Hello everyone, my name is Ioannou and I'm going to be talking to you about the Social Cohesion and Reconciliation Index, which is basically an index that is designed to measure two indicators of peace, social cohesion and reconciliation. Now the main scope of this index is to inform and better target peace-building programs. Now the tool has so far been implemented in Cyprus twice, in 2013 and 2014, in Bosnia, and now data is being collected in Nepal. Now there are two main capacities of the index that in my opinion are making it a good guide for peace-building programs. The first one being that the tool can capture what is going on in a society at a given point in time. So here, for example, we have the scores of reconciliation for Bosniak Serbs and Croats in Bosnia and Herzegovina. So this graph here is showing us how they feel towards each other and how they feel towards other groups in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Now, what an X-ray of a society can also give you, can also help you do, is to detect those demographic groups that suffer the most in brackets. So here, for example, we see how Turkish Cypriots right-wingers, in comparison especially with people of the left, are much less reconciliatory towards the other community. Once the tool is also implemented over multiple points in time, what we can do is to detect trends, and we can, for example, map this trend to see where the biggest increase or decrease has been scored. Now, the second capacity of the tool is that it can basically isolate and highlight those indicators of social cohesion and reconciliation that better predict our desired end outcome. In Cyprus, this outcome was political compromise, and what we could tell policymakers and peace builders is where they could focus to reach their end outcome, their end goal. Now, when it came to, based on these results, we produce policy recommendations that we communicate to the public as well as to main stakeholders in the society. Now, when it came down to communicating these results in Cyprus, for example, we did bicommunal presentations, we did monocommunal presentations, we produced reports, executive briefs, and even a book, which some of you probably have received over the last 2 days. Then we used Twitter and Facebook accounts, and we got invited to private meetings or asked for private meetings with politicians. But sometimes we even got invited to present our findings, which was even cooler than talking to politicians in talk like this one. But I think our most high-tech, the only high-tech communication tool we have, is the SCORE platform. So a user can go in the platform and find all the results we have so far for Cyprus and Bosnia, and hopefully Nepal will make it there soon. So we are trying to use attractive visualizations as this one to make the results more digestible to the user. So examples of visualizations are here. So I would like, and there is another thing that the platform is offering to users, which is to basically get an insight of some of the most interesting findings, and then go in a discussion board and discuss these findings, like here. So what I would like to do is to invite you to visit the SCORE platform, give us feedback if you have any. And the last thing I want to do is to basically thank the team of SCORE and also help Florin and Elena for helping us so much with the SCORE platform. Thank you.